Hello everyone, in this video we're finally gonna test the Ethernet IP communication between our XP and our NX3008. So on the previous video we set up the Ethernet IP communication in the adapter side and in the scanner side. So the last thing we need to do is going here on our NX3008 and selecting the Ethernet IP adapter IO task and changing the interval up to 10 milliseconds. Now I can log in into my NX3008 and at the same time I'm going to log in into my XP340. Yes. Okay, now I'm gonna change the program of my NX3008 to run mode. Okay, so now it's running the program. You can see here the state of my Ethernet IP adapter. So it's not communicating yet because my Ethernet IP scanner, which is my XP340, is not available on the network yet because it's receiving the program. Okay, you see here that my Ethernet IP adapter status has changed. I'm gonna run my XP, change to run mode. And you can see here that my NX3008 demo is up and running. Okay, now let's double click on the NX3008 demo and let's access the Ethernet IP module from my adapter and change to the Ethernet IP module IO mapping tab. So this is my two variables that are declared on my adapter side, and I can see the same variables here on my scanner side. Let's test writing a value from my NX3008 and reading the value in my XP. The NX3008 will modify the value of my NX3008. So let's change the value of this variable to 1000. Let's write this value. And you see here that on my NX3008 writes on my scanner side, I received the value 1000. Now let's see if my scanner can write and my adapter can read. So I'm gonna write on my NX3008 reads. So I'm preparing the value. Let's write a real value like 39.87. Let's write this value, and you can see here that I've received the value on my NX3008 reads.